Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of the Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got yet another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This one's from Sapporo Ichiban. This is a Iseebi spiny lobster miso. Spiny. Yeah. So, how are you? I hope you are beautiful today. So this one goes in. I basically went, it's like, which ones can I get ready the quickest? Because I didn't feel like getting any reviews ready yesterday, I'll be honest. And then it's just like, you better do it, you'll be ticked at yourself. You got 2 eggs left, you don't want to waste them. So, here I am. Here I be. And, oh yeah. This is a 3-minute. Right? 3 minutes. So right here. If you don't know, now you know. See that big 3 is how many minutes, and that number with the ml next to it, that's how many milliliters of liquid. So that pretty much is all you need to know about the preparation of Japanese instant noodles. Not all you need to know, but it's helpful. And on the side of the bowl, that's styrofoam. If it's not on the lid will usually have the big number, which is the minutes, and then the 3-digit number on the side. Really? Okay. Is the milliliters of liquid. But then you get ones that like have really contrived lawnmower. I mean, it's summer, but don't they know I'm shooting the show and doing the thing? I just spent all morning cleaning bathrooms. I did a time lapse of them vacuuming. Oh, I got to do that too. But I did a time lapse once of them mowing the lawn. It's just like it's pretty funny. I wonder if I can dig that up and throw that at the end of this one. I've done so many intros and outros. I absolutely love doing it. I'll do like 3 or 4 at a time. I just like go and grab footage from all over the place and just make intros and outros, and it's like one of my favorite parts of doing this whole thing. And what's neat too is there's stuff, like with the kids in it, pets, things like that. So it's also like chronologically like a weird little way of marking time, you know what I mean? So yeah, there's ones where I'm going by these buildings that are now been there, it seems like forever, but they're building them, So when did I start doing this? Like 5 years ago? Something like that. Yeah, why don't you just sit there and idle, dude? Just sit there and idle. Make the noise. Yeah. Mo. You want to see him? Oh, we only got 10 seconds left. Not much to see. The worst, as far as noise contamination that I've had to deal with, was, so we had these neighbors over there, like right next to us. And there was this old lady, and she was there. She'd always go outside and smoke, and then she'd come back in and we'd say hi to her and stuff. And then all of a sudden, poof, she disappeared. For like, God, I want to say like 7 or 8 months. And then it's the day of days. I'm gonna shoot the video. My wife was home. She handled the camera. And we did the videos for like top 10 instant noodles, top 10 bowls, bottom 10, top 10 cups, I think a couple others. Guess who decides to move out that day? And boy, these people were loud, folks. Oh my God. But I'm just like, all right, hey, this is... Oh my God, really? Turn it down, please, sir. Thank you. Or ma'am. Yeah, it was just like... But honestly, they were done pretty quick. They just went in there, grabbed all their stuff and left. I think basically what happened is they just let the state pay for the apartment, and then they decided, oh, well, might as well stay with us. Okay. Then they just grabbed this stuff and left, and just like... Boy, that one's salty too. Not getting so much of a miso, getting more of a... not a thrilling one. Jesus, dude. I wish I could just like break their machine. The infernal machine. I don't know, someday, hopefully, you know, further along than sooner. I mean, it'd be nice, but you know, not. Eventually, I will have my childhood home. What would happen for that? What would have to happen for that? Is my sister is the current occupant, and she would, you know, once she passes, not looking for that to happen anytime soon. But once I am a homeowner, I'm really like thinking, boy, I'm gonna mow the lawn every day. I'm gonna drive the neighbors absolutely insane. I know they do that up there too. These can get... No, we don't use the next. Egg. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like the lawnmower people either. Don't like it. Yeah, let's just get this going. Slicing this little egg. The last one I got. Oh, it's starting to do its due. We are done. Wow, look at that. We are done with the egg juice. Don't need that egg juice anymore, ladies and germs. that egg juice was very useful for making 12. And I have something to report to you. There's a company that I get the eggs at the grocery store, obviously. I guess I could get them at a roadside eggery, but that's neither here nor there. So anyways, I get these eggs, and I try different brands all the time because what you feed your chicken definitely makes a difference with how the shells are. And when you're doing soft-boiled eggs, boy, you need shells that are and the little thin skin. You need that stuff to be just right. And I get it from, they're called Happy Egg, cage free. Get an 18-pack of browns. Usually, if I get like the store brand, I've got a bunch that come out bad. Like the skin rips the egg. These, I went 12 for 12, folks, and they were just fine. So, the Happy Egg. Yeah. Goes them freaking guy riding his little thing around. Ay. But anyways, next will be my last one for today. This is Tokushima Typhoon with their Kinchan Torishio ramen, I think. I don't know, but it's the next one on the next show. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please, I beg you, like and subscribe. Because when you do that, and a lot of people do that, more people will see this come up, and then more people will watch, more people will participate, and yeah, that's good for everybody. So, like, subscribe, grab somebody else's phone, subscribe them, hit the bell, all that crap. Have a good one. Bye-bye.